Spring's probably the busiest time for us because of the fact you're getting a lot of people neglect their pools over winter, which is some people think they're saving money. They actually just turn the pumps off. They think they're saving power.
Right.
But the problem is they turn it off for 3 or 4 months. Pool goes green, black, funky. But when you turn pumps off for a period of time as well, because it's an electrical motor, right, they'll start seizing up, right? Because like you leave a car sitting for 6 months, you come back, it's got a flat battery, the tyres are half flat, stuff like that. You've got to keep things moving.
Yeah.
All right.
So it costs them more money by not having a maintenance program in winter. It costs them more money.
Exactly. It costs them more in the end, and a green pool, depends how bad, it's anywhere from $300 to $1,000 to fix. And I still have clients that ring me every October. Their number's in my phone. They ring me, and I said, "Pool's green, isn't it?" They go, "Yep." I said, "You turned your pumps off again, didn't you?" They say, "Yep." And I say, "Then just come and fix it." And I say to them again, I say, "Do not do it." I said, even if you don't want me to regularly service your pool, give me a call at the start of winter. I'll come around, adjust the chlorinators, adjust the pumps, and in winter time your pump really only needs to run 2 hours a day, 2 or 3 hours a day, which might cost you $1 a day in power, maybe. The cost of keeping your pool running is way cheaper than fixing a green pool.